Today, I will listen you the story. Okay, what is the opportunity? Okay, what is your opportunity, and when should you grab it, and when should you not grab it? Right now, you have the opportunity. You are having opportunity. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Let me know. Yes, Mr. Girish, I want to ask you the one question. I want to ask you the one question. Why you want to go to Africa?
For better for my future and earn to lots of money.
Earn to lots of money. You are also learning. You are also earning here lots of money.
Yeah.
So why you want to go there?
More than.
More than this.
Yes.
So when Mr. Kunal say you, are you interested? First of all, Mr. Your team leader, he has asked you, no?
Yes.
He has asked you, no? To get to, first you ask you, are you ready to go to the Africa? And then how you say? You say immediately or you take some time?
No, I take 2 days time for.
Okay. So first of all, whom you ask? Your family. First whom you ask in your family?
My father.
Your father. Okay. Then what he said?
He take some time after that.
After that, he also takes some time.
Yes.
Okay, he also takes some time, and after that, decides, okay, no problem. Then you come, then you ready?
Yeah.
It means you are completely fully ready.
Yes.
Okay, suppose that if you want to be stay there more than 1 year, 2 years, so can you get just there?
Yes.
Okay, for what?
What?
For what?
For job.
For job. But you are also doing job here, and you are also doing job here. So for what you want to be go there?
Because there are different new work I will learn.
Okay, you will learn.
Yes, now I do work in cleaning.
Okay.
And I now I learning in manufacturing.
Okay.
So I have new skill develop. I skill new develop.
And skill along with how many things you will get? Skill along with.
Now I have only cleaning skill and machinery
So
skill.
you are going there to increase your skill, and along with your package,
Yes.
you will also increase your package.
Yes.
So what is the main ratio of that?
70%.
70%
Skill.
skill.
Yes.
It will increase.
Yes.
How much percent you will get increase?
Uh,
I will not take. You let express yourself. How much? Because you want to close this all.
40 to 50.
40 to 50. It's clear?
Yes.
So you will get a 40% plus.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So, Mr. Kunal asked you all of them. So when you reply them? You take some time.
Yes.
Okay? You take some time, and after that you say that, okay, now we are ready to go to Africa. Am I clear?
Yes.
But actually today, I want to say you, okay, you can sit, good. Okay, and clap for Mr. Girish. And today, I will explain you some little bit story of Mr. Bill Gates. Actually, as you know, he's one of the richest person. Actually, he has got records in the Microsoft, in the softwares, and many more things. Okay. So I don't need to explain more, but I want to let you one thing. If the opportunity comes, when the opportunity knock at your door, whether you think, Lord, should I do or not? Okay, when I asked Mr. Girish, when Mr. Kunal asked you, are you ready to go to abroad? Are you ready to go to abroad?
Yes.
So he said that, okay, ready, but I have to take the permission of my family. Okay? So, in Mr. Bill Gates, he says in answer, he said that if anybody say me, I have a project, and can you do that? So what he say, He never said that, okay, I will do it, no problem, I will think and then I will say. He only asked what about the project. What comes out of credit? Can I do it? He said, yes, you can. So I can do it. How much I will get and not, there is nothing. He said that only I can do it. So we want to say that in his words, like listen. So lots of the years, we can say कुछ ऐसे reporters say, actually he want to take the interviews of them. He want to take the interviews of them, but to meet the Bill Gates, it's not easy task. Okay, so in a day, in a month, or in a year, or in a 1 hour, you can say how much does he earn? It's a very difficult task. Okay, so reporters taking the follow-ups from every day, and one day they got chance. In the reporters, actually they come at your house and they very heartily greetings them. Hi sir, we are very thankful. We are very thankful to you. You give us this opportunity. You give us this opportunity to meet you. Because actually we have been just following you and we have to try to meet you since last 2 years. And now we got this opportunity. Okay, he says, okay, no problem. You can come, take the seats. And when the seat and the seat is all things. First 4 to 5 minutes for the 10 minutes. Actually, when he come, they enter in the hall. So actually, they become very shocked in this farmhouse or whatever. So they become very shocked. So everything. So actually, they never seen in their life. They are like a heaven. Okay, paradise. So they become very shocked, and in their life they haven't seen such a thing. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, and some executives of him, otherwise some servant or male servants of Mr. Bill Gates, so they come, and they come in a totally professional uniform. A lady and a maid servant and a gent servant, and they come ask you, yes sir, I hope that you come to meet Mr. or Lord. You come to Mr. or Lord, our Lord, not our Sir, our Lord. You say that, yes, of course we come. Okay, so sir is busy right now, so we will sharply make you approximately particular time. They said that. So till that, what we would like to have you. We would like to have you. So he's saying that's okay, no problem. So you give us some drinks and so he said, sir, this is a menu card. What do you want to like? You can please. So he said that actually we don't want to be our specialty is that we want to meet your Lord and that we are free. So you just give us the water only. We don't want anything. So he said, okay, no problem. Turan survived there. After the 10 minutes, Mr. Who? Bill Gates. Lots of them. And they stand on their place and salute as well as salutes, and he salutes, but he came and he shake the hand. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. So I'm very grateful. So you wait for me. I think as well as my time is very important, as well as your time is also important. So I'm very sorry. I left for the 5 to 10 minutes. He said, oh sir, that is our business, like that you come here. Actually knows that. He said that because time is very important. Time is very important of me and you also. Okay? So, sorry for that. So let's continue our interview. What do you want to ask me? So first question is that, what types of things do you like? What types of things do you like? So he said that I want to be live only tracking. In that thing I will get more. In that thing I will get more, and I can do better than. So I like the such of the things. So both are writing in their notes. And second thing is that he also asked, sir, in how long you have been this in how long years you have been in Microsoft's company? So he said that actually I don't know, but I can say you, when I know what is the software and how to do that, and I think that people are required of this thing as I required, so I think that people are much required of this thing, then I started to work. Okay, that's good. And second is important question was, second and last, that's a question that's very important. So actually, if you don't mind, can we ask a last question? You say, of course, no problem. You can ask. So he said that, sir, if you don't mind, can we say you? Can you say you? How much do you earn in a year or in a month? So he just smiled in his heart. Always, he became very happy. He said that you are the one of the person who comes at my home and dare to speak and dare to ask me a single question. Ask me a question. How much income I have? Even income tax officers, they also come and they ever met me, but nobody dared to ask me these questions. So first of all, I would become very happy to shake with the hand. Okay. So he said that, okay, it's beautiful, I don't mind. And actually I'm not angry with you, I'm not scored on you. But in life we should have some secrets we can't show. But whether you want to know my income, I'll definitely show you how much my income. So he said that he asked, he called to his personal assistant. Yes, miss, come, take my checkbook. Okay, and he just like take out the check, take the check, and he just in blank check, and he is given to the report. Take this check. Take this check, and how much amount do you want? How much amount do you want? You can write. And give it to me and sign on it. Otherwise, he take again. He become very confused. He give it again. He give his sign. He write his sign and give again. Now you can write. You can write the amount. You can write the amount. How much do you want? मतलब आपको कितना चाहिए? आप लिख दो इसके ऊपर. मैं ऑलरेडी साइन आपको कर दिया हूं. मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको साइन कर दिया है. Doesn't say anything. They become very confused. He said 3 times. He again repeat. Excuse me, mister. I have given you check first time, but you whether can't say anything. Second time, I check the return. I check the return by you and sign on it. If you not trusted. And given you, again said, you write how much amount do you want? How much amount do you want? And third time I'm saying that you write how much I will definitely give. So till he can't does that shit. So situations are very confused actually. He can't say and he's not able to speak any other questions. So Mr. Wilkins. So, in this side, a lady with the reporter, a lady was also there. And she asked sir, last one thing, we asked for one question and we will not take more than 2 minutes because we know that your time is very important for us. Last 2 minutes हमें चाहिए बोलो. हाँ, yes, you can ask because I am very and I have to go right now. So बोले सर आप में और दूसरे जो बिजनेसमैन है वो भी काफी सारे लाखों मतलब हजार मतलब काफी सालों से वो लोग बिजनेस करते आ रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द बिजनेस सेम बिजनेस काफी सालों से करते आ रहे हैं. लेकिन आपने और इन लोगों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? उन लोगों का नाम आपके जैसा फेमस क्यों नहीं बोले? व्हाई दे आर नॉट फेमस एज लाइक? तो ही सेड, व्हाट ही सेड, यू नो व्हाट ही सेड?
Take opportunity. Take opportunity.
And he said that I have already given you. Answer, I already given you. Sir, he confused, she confused. Sir, what can you explain? Then he says in verse, when the opportunity come at me, जब भी मेरे पास कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी तक आती है, when the opportunity come at me, I grab it immediately. I don't think what will be the happen. I think only I want to do that. बोले अभी आपके पास में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थी करोड़पति बनने की, विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग. आपके डेयरिंग को, आपके अटेम्प्ट्स को, आपके डिटर्मिनेशन को देख के मुझे एक प्रसन्नता हुई थी. एंड आई वॉन्ट माई हार्टली यू वुड बी बिकम लाइक मी. बट आपने वो अपॉर्चुनिटी खो दी. अंडरस्टूड? तो सोचो रिपोर्टर क्या हो सकते थे? कितने समय में? केवल 2 मिनट के अंदर वो करोड़पति अरबपति हो सकते थे. गरीब दे राइट पहले टाइम पे उन्होंने चेक दिया, ब्लैंक चेक दिया, उनको लग रहा मजाक कर रहा था. सेकंड टाइम चेक दिया, साइन करके दिया उनको, तो उसको तो ट्रस्ट हो गया भी, तो फिर भी वो अमाउंट लिख रहे थे. तीसरे टाइम में उन्होंने बोला यस मिस्टर यू कैन राइट डोंट थिंक. उनको लग रहा मजाक कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी. तो देखो, जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटी, व्हेन यू गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी यू नेवर मिस इट. यू जस्ट ट्रस्ट इट एंड ग्रैब इट एंड यू स्टार्ट टू वर्क. तो व्हाट इज सेड, यू नो, इन द लास्ट व्हाट इज सेड, नाउ यू नो माई इनकम. You got your answer. They become very shocked and they just like they fell in their legs. And sir, we salute you. Thanks sir to give me the opportunity to come here. And in our life, this is very, I think we will very shocked and we will very confused what to do, because before that we have never taken the such of the interview. So what to do and why to do and why to talk with you? I become very shocked, so I can't do it like that. So he said in last verse, opportunity never wait for anybody. So you think that when the opportunity come at you, so you have to follow it or not? You have to grab it or not? You have to wait or what to do? You have to decide. Understood?
Yes.
So you got it. What is the morality of story?
Yes.
So that is. Okay? Okay.